Hiteshri. Come on, count Hiteshri.
Yes, count.
One. Close your fingers and count. One.
One,
Hmm.
two,
Hmm.
three,
Hmm.
நீ சொல்றியா?
Hmm.
five,
Five.
இரு நான் சொல்லி முடிச்சேன் அடுத்த
Six. Seven. 8.
10.
8. 9. 10. Okay, very good, Hiteshri. Nakshatra. Nakshatra. Count Nakshatra. One.
Count.
Hmm.
two,
Hmm.
three,
Hmm.
four,
Hmm.
5.
5. 6.
இங்க வை.
7. Oh, 10 now. I didn't hear 6, 7, 8 and all.
7 it's all. 7.
7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Well done. Pranav.
I'm Riyasri.
Yeah, according to attendance order only.
சொல்லு 1 2
Pranav.
ஒண்ணுதான்
நாளைக்கு எப்படி இருக்கா?
Hmm.
One,
1. Hmm.
two,
Hmm.
three, four,
Hmm.
5,
Hmm.
1,
6, 6, 6.
அந்த நான்
6.
7,
Hmm. 8, 9, 10.
அது சொல்றேன்
Very good. Well done, Pranav. Keshav. Keshav, very good. Keshav.
yes ma'am.
Come on, finish it, Keshav.
Start counting. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4,
இங்க ரெண்டு சொல்றேன்
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good, Keshav. Next is
Pink ma'am.
Nitish. Thank you, Nitish. Nitish. Come on, count, Nitish.
1 to 3.
1.
இது என்ன பண்றாங்க பாரு
1. Nitish. 1. Count along with ma'am. 1. Okay, count with ma'am. 1.
1.
1. So 1 to 3 சொல்லிடு அப்புறம் எப்படி
1.
சொல்லு சொல்லு சொல் 1 சொல்லு
1. No, I don't want counting now. Okay, I'm not going to force you, Nitish. Last, I'll ask you one more time, okay? Next is Kevin.
சொல்லு சொல்லு 1
Kevin. Kevin, counting, Kevin.
இவன் சொல்லு
1.
1.
இன்னைக்கு எவ்வளவு நேரம் சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தாங்க
Kevin. When I'm asking, he will not say. Rest of the time, he will be singing and telling all those things. Kevin. Kevin has become a very naughty boy nowadays. Okay, next is Riyashree.
கவுண்ட் பண்ணு சொல்லு எஸ் மேம் சொல்லு சொல்லு 1 கவுண்ட் பண்ணு சொல்லுடா சத்தமா சொல்லு
1.
அப்புறம் சத்தமா சொல்லு சொல்லுடா தப்புடா சொல்லு 3
Look at ma'am and 4, 5,
சத்தமா சொல்லு அப்புறம் 6
7,
அப்புறம் 7
8,
8
9,
9 10
Very good, Riyashree. Have to practice even more, okay? Sarah. Sarah finished, I think, right? Okay, Sai Priyan.
சாரா சொல்லு
counting the numbers counting
Fingers.
Sarah finished, I think. Sai
Fold
Priyan, I
your
thought.
fingers. This hand also fold your fingers. இப்போ
Sai
counting.
Priyan.
Start with 1. சொல்லுங்க 1
1, 2,
Hmm.
3,
Hmm.
4,
Hmm.
5
Hmm.
5,
Five.
அழகா சொன்னீங்க. சொல்லல 1 2 3 சொல்லல நீ.
6 க்கு
நீ
அப்புறம்
சொல்ல மாட்டேன். நீ சொல்ல
7,
மாட்டேன்.
8, 9, 10.
10.
Very good. Next is Ravina. Ravina.
Ravina.
Ravina. Come on, count. Ravina and Pranavi, both of you count together. Together. ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து count பண்ணுங்க together.
8, 9, 10.
Very good. Okay, Pranavi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good, both of you. So sweet. Next is Tilakar. Come on, Tilakar.
2,
Hmm.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good, Tilakar. Nimalan. Nimalan. Nimalan.
3, 4,
Hmm.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Kevin, now we are counting on Kevin. Good, Nimalan. Why are you holding that mic? What are you holding? Good. Both of you good. Nimalan, count with your fingers, Nimalan. Close your fingers and count.
3, 4, 5, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Thank you so much, Nimalan. Children, you're all so sweet. Those who didn't count today properly, on Monday I'm going to ask you again. You have to count, okay? Kevin, very good. Kevin, I saw you how you counted. Very good. And then now we are going to start our session. After Kids Anthem, we'll be doing the Tumblr activity. Be ready with that. Okay, Kids Anthem, ma'am is going to say very slowly. If you are able to repeat after ma'am, you can repeat. Okay, children, join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up, everyone. Join your hands, close your eyes. Yes, no playing. Kids Anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, very good. Thank you so much, Keshav. Good morning. Good morning. Unmute yourself. Ma'am. Good morning, Vanilla, ma'am. Very good. Thank you so much. Good morning, Good morning, Pranav Pravina. Good morning, Vanilla, ma'am. Not only ma'am.
நீ சொல்லு. Good morning,
Vanilla,
Vanilla.
ma'am.
நீ சொல்லு.
Finish up.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, ma.
நீ சொல்லு. Good morning, Vanilla. நீ சொல்லு. அம்மா.
Okay, ready for attendance? Adarsh.
நீ
Adarsh.
சொல்லு.
Here I am. Children, you have to say here I am.
Here I am. Adnan சொன்னோம்.
Okay, Adarsh. Riyashri, mute yourself, Riyashri. Adarsh. Adarsh, I'm marking you, Adarsh, okay? Arya Barnidran. Arya.
Arya is on leave today, ma'am.
Leave, okay, ma'am. Adya Sharma.
बोलो. बोलो here I am. बोलो.
Here I am.
ऐसे बोलो here I am.
Here I am.
Very good, Adya. Ilango. Ilango.
Yes, ma'am. Here I am, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Here I am.
Very good, Ilango. Hiteshri. Hiteshri.
Here I am.
Very good, Hiteshri. Nakshatra.
சொல்லு.
Here I am. Thank you, Nakshatra. Nitish. Nitish. Nitish.
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Nitish is not there. Ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Here I am. Here I am.
Here I am, sir.
Here I am.
Here I am.
Loud or loud?
Here I am. Okay. Next is Nimalan. Nimalan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Here
Pranav.
I am, ma'am.
Thank you, Nimalan. Pranav.
Here I am.
Thank you, Pranav. Keshav.
Ma'am.
Here I am, ma'am.
Thank you, Keshav. Kevin. Kevin.
चल 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 here I
Yes,
am.
ma'am. சொல்லு.
Yes, ma'am. also.
Yes, ma'am. Or here I
Jai
am. Kevin.
Here I
Kevin.
am.
Kevin.
சொல்லு கெவின், ஒன்னதான் கேக்குறாங்க.
Kevin.
கெவின் சொல்லு.
Kevin is absent today. Well, I'm going to mark absent for Kevin.
Here I am சொல்லு. Here I am. சொல்லு.
Yes, ma'am. At least yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Or சொல்லலாம் இல்லையா? Come on, Kevin.
கெவின் சொல்லு கெவின்.
Where is Kevin's chocolate? Kevin had a chocolate எங்க? Where is Kevin chocolate? Ma'am is having chocolate in my hand. See here. Chocolate வேணுமா? அப்ப yes ma'am சொல்லணும். Yes ma'am சொல்லுங்க.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am. சொல்லு.
Yes, ma'am சொல்லு, சாக்லேட் தருவாங்க. சாக்லேட் தருவாங்க.
Having chocolate in my hand.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. சொல்லு.
It's not right, ma'am.
அப்ப கேளு மேம்.
chocolate இல்ல உனக்கு போ. Next is Riyashri.
Yes ma'am. Here I am சொல்லுடா. சொல்லுடா.
Here I am.
சொல்லு.
Here I am.
Very good, Riyashri. Thank you. Sara Sanjeevi.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Here I am, Sara. I have to say here I am.
Here.
Okay. Sai Priyan.
Here I am.
Here I am.
Ma'am.
Very good, Sai. Pravina. Siva Pravina. Pranavi.
Here I am, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Next is Tilakar.
Here I am.
Okay, thank you, children. Thank you so much. Now all of you bring your tumblers. Come on. Start the activity. See, I'll tell you how to do it, okay? First, you are going to arrange the tumblers like this. You have 6 tumblers, right? Arrange first 3 tumblers, then 2, and then finally 1. Like this, you have to arrange, children, okay? Understood? Come on, start doing it. One by one, I'll call you, okay? Come on, one by one. Sara Sanjeevi, do it and show it to me. Sara, unmute yourself and do it and show ma.
3, 2. இல்லடா கண்ணா. First 3, then 2 and 1.
Tumblers only first. You take out the tumbler, Sarah's mom. Give only 3 tumblers first. And then 1 on top of it. Very good. Very good, Sarah. Slowly.
நான் finish சொல்லு.
7, very good, 7. Adya Sharma.
Yes, you did it.
Yeah, I'll call you one by one, children. Come on, mute yourself. At the same time, nobody will hear you. One by one, I'll call you. Mute yourself first. Mute yourself. Sarah, mute yourself. Okay, very good. Adya Sharma.
Ma'am बुला रही है.
Do it and try it once again. Show me once again. How will you do?
Try again. दोबारा करो. यहाँ लगाओ.
In between. Children, I'll call everyone. No issues. Please, one by one, I'll call you.
Okay.
Very nice. Good girl.
Yeah.
Wow. Very good, Adya. Good girl. Bingo. Slowly, Ilanga. Do it slowly. Oh my God. Let him do. Okay. Let him do it on their own. You just focus on the activity. You please don't help them. Let them, even if it is falling also, it's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then only they'll get that concentration to do. Very good. Very good. He's voluntarily pushing it down. I know that. Hiteshri. Thank you, Elango. Hiteshri.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Kanna. Hiteshri. Do it.
Look at ma'am.
No. You have to bring that.
Vimalan, mute yourself. I call you. Everyone mute yourself except Hiteshri.
What is that?
What is it? Not like this. Hiteshri's mom. Not like this. Teach her how to do. In between. First 3 tumblers, then 2 tumblers, then 1. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
In between you have to keep like that. Now 1. Slowly you have to do, otherwise the tumblers will fall down.
Really?
Well done. Next is Nakshatra.
சவுண்டா சொல்லு.
Nakshatra. Nikki also do the activity. Very good, Nakshatra. Do it.
Three tumblers killer.
First 3 tumblers only. Count and arrange 3 tumblers first. Then 2.
3 tumblers first killer.
கிட்ட வைக்கணும்.
3 tumblers போதும். இதுக்கு மேல
Take the 4th one and keep it on top. That is what, when you are giving the tumblers itself, don't give all the tumblers to your child. First give them only 3 tumblers, let them arrange. Then the 4th one and the 5th one on top of it. Now one by one you give them.
First arrange. கீழே மேல சப்போஸ்
இப்ப அந்த numbers கிட்ட நீங்க
Concentrate and do. Next one. No. You arrange and show it to Nakshatra's dad. Good. Now one.
Top of.
Good. Very good. Next is Nitish. Good ma. Good Nakshatra. Nitish.
आगे ऊपर मर
Good. Very good, Nitish. Thank you. This is Nimalan.
थैंक यू सर
Nimalan.
பண்ணு இது மேல தூக்கி வை இது மேல தூக்கி வை ஏய் அடுத்தது இது வை ஏய் அங்க வை இந்த இத எடுத்து வை சென்டர்ல வை
It's going to fall down. Good, Nimalan. Very good. See, I told no, it will fall down. Okay. Next is Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Papiga.
அதுல வைக்கிறேன்.
Do it fast.
இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி. ஓகே.
Okay, very good, Pranav. Keshav. Very good, Pranav. Keshav.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it, Keshav. Kevin also do it. Kevin, one more time do it. Keshav, do ma.
நீ விடு நீ அவன்கிட்ட குடு அந்த வைய பண்ணு
It's a key or
அங்க வை அங்க தான்டா
Then 2. First 3 tumblers, then 2 and 1. Very good, Kevin. Good boy, Kevin.
குட் ஜாப்
Tumblers are flying, What happened to the tumblers, Keshav? Paper cups, Finish, Keshav.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Kevin. You can mute yourself. Very good. Oh my God. Riya Shri, be ready, ma. Riya Shri and
Yes, ma'am.
very good, Keshav. Riya Shri, come on. Tara also do it. Tara Sanjeevi do it. Very good, Riya Shri. Good girl.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Kana. Tara, do it.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
Yes, ma'am.
Do the activity.
Tara.
Arrange பண்ணுங்க.
Very happy, Keshav.
Do one பண்ணு.
Do it fast, Tara.
ஆக்டிவிட்டி பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. மேக்கப் அப்படி இல்ல.
Look at your friends, how they have done.
3, 2, 1. அத விட்டுட்டு நீ பண்ணு.
What is this? What tower is this? I can't understand what tower is this.
நான்
Tara is mom.
No, Kanna. 3, 2, 1. இந்தா சரா. Okay.
Okay, now do it. Slowly, slowly. Good, very good. Next is Sai Priyan. Sai
சொல்லுங்க
Priyan,
எத்தனை சொல்லுங்க
Pranavi and Pravina.
இப்ப செய்
Pranavi,
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து
Pravina
செய்யுங்க
also do it. Sai Priyan
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல
also
இருந்து
do
செய்யுங்க
it.
செய் செய் பாக்குறேன் மேம் டக்குன்னு செய் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செய் அங்க செய் நீ 3 வைங்க
Pranavi, Pravina also do it, ma.
அகைன் 2 2 வைங்க அந்த
Siva Pranavi, Siva
இந்தாங்க
Pravina.
இந்தாங்க 1 பிளஸ் அது கரெக்டா வை
Do the activity.
இந்த வை ஒழுங்கா வை மேம் ஃபினிஷ்டு மேம் அது ஒழுங்கா வச்சிட்டு சொல்லுங்க மேம் ஃபினிஷ்
Good. Good, ma, Sai Priyan. Thank you so much. Pranavi, Pravina, do it fast. Finally, Tilakar. Do it. Tilakar also do it. Very good. Slowly, Pravina. Very good. Oh, what done? Not done at all. See here. Pravina and Pranavi finished. Both of you done it, huh? Very good, Tilakar. Good. Very good. Welcome. Welcome, Tilakar. Very good, Pranavi and Pravina. Thank you so much, children. Very good. Now I want you to arrange all the tumblers. Keep your tumblers aside. Take your slate and chalk piece. Take your slate and chalk piece. Take your slate and chalk piece. Those who don't have slate and chalk piece, you can use your notebook. First, we'll draw a sun in slate and then we'll draw it in a notebook and color it. First, finish drawing it in a slate. Then only we'll know how to draw, right? Afterwards, we'll draw it in a rough notebook. Okay, children? Keep the rough notebook and crayons also with you. Okay? First, draw a circle. First, draw a circle. Then, standing line, slanting line, and all you have to draw. Sleeping line, slanting line, standing line. Like this, you have to draw the strokes for the sun. And then finally, you are going to draw 2 eyes and a smiley mouth. Okay? Sun. If you have finished drawing in your slate, take your rough notebook and draw it neatly. Okay? Because after drawing it, you are going to take a snap and send it in group. Okay? So draw neatly and color it. Good, Tilakar. Take your notebook and draw. What a big mouth, Tilakar. Take your notebook and draw. Come on. What color shall we give for this sun? What color shall we give, anyone? What color do you want to give? என்ன கலர் கொடுக்கலாம் சன்னுக்கு? Yellow. Very good. We'll give yellow color, okay? Come on, draw it in your notebook. Yes, Nimalan also take your notebook and draw. Tilakar can draw in notebook. Nimalan can draw. Take your notebook and draw. But draw it neatly, Nimalan. It's very scary, Nimalan. பயமா இருக்கு Nimalan.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Mama. Fine, take your notebook and draw. Naughty boy. Sarah, very nice. Take your notebook and draw. Sarah, Sanjeevi also take your notebook and draw in your notebook. Take a fresh page and draw. Hiteshri, draw in your notebook. The same sun you have to draw in your notebook and color it with yellow color. Adya finished drawing. Very good. Nakshatra can draw in notebook. Keshav drawing in notebook. Sai Priyan. Pranav. Finish. Okay, draw in your notebook and color it, Keshav.
Okay.
Very nice, Keshav.
What?
What? Sit and draw. I don't want you to lie down. Sit and draw. Sit down first, Keshav.
Sit.
Okay, no.
Then only your drawing will be beautiful. If you are lying down, your drawing will not be beautiful.
Okay, Mama.
No.
Sarah, finish.
Small.
Big C.
Finish drawing the sun. Those are finished. You can start coloring. You yourself should draw, children. Don't ask your parents to draw. Color inside the boundary. Children, all of you first look at the screen. I want all of you to look at the screen first. Hello, everyone. Stop. Stop, everyone. Look at Vanilla Mom. Adya, the deck. Look at Vanilla Mom, everyone. You have two circles here and I have colored both the circles. Okay. Which circle looks nice? This one or this one? Which is looking nice? This one or this one? Which one? This one?
Jump.
Which
This
one?
one.
Left ear, right?
Yes?
Right.
This one only, no? Why? Why this is not nice? Why this
No,
is not
why?
nice?
Hmm.
Because ma'am has not colored it well. Have colored
No, sir.
outside the boundary. See here? Have not colored inside the boundary, but ma'am has colored outside the boundary. So it is not at all nice, very ugly. Okay, so children, I want all of you to color inside the boundary like this. If you color outside the boundary, it will look very ugly. My junior KG children will all draw beautifully and color beautifully. Yes or no? So I want all of you to color neatly like this. Okay? Come on, start doing it. Now you do your activity. Parents, please check whether they are able to hold their crayon properly, or else please guide them. Don't leave it in their way.
Oh, my son.
Who's this? Adya. Very nice, Adya. Get 2 stars from your mama.
My son.
Take a snap and send it in group. Adya got 2 stars. How many stars? Come on, count.
तो कितने स्टार्स मिले आपको? 2 स्टार, 1 स्टार, 2
Count
स्टार.
कितना stars है?
Okay.
काउंट करो.
Star.
1
One.
star.
Daddy, look, my son. Daddy,
Very
look,
happy
my
that you have
son.
drawn very star. Thank you, Adya. First you have drawn Very good. Good. Okay, next who finished? Tilakar finished.
ma'am.
I am finished, ma'am.
Pranavi and Pravina, show me.
Finished, ma'am.
Very beautiful, Pranavi and Pravina. Good.
I am finished,
Get
ma'am.
2 stars. Get 2 stars. Tilakar also get 2 stars. Very beautiful, Tilakar. Get 2 stars. Pranavi, Pravina also get 2 stars. Hiteshri, son also is very nice. Mama.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Ma'am.
Nimalan.
Vanilla, ma'am.
Yes, ma, Nimalan.
Ma'am.
What, ma'am?
Fish, ma'am.
Yeah, I saw your expression.
ma'am.
Keshav, very
drawing
nice.
lines,
Nimalan.
Start.
Nimalan also very nice. Thank you, Nimalan.
Ma'am. Chico.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Keshav, very good, Keshav. Get 2 stars also. Very nice, son. Sara, you have to focus on coloring, Sara. Color inside the boundary, okay?
Photo
Very
எடுப்பாங்க
good.
நீ
Good girl.
அழகா பண்ணலையா
Nice only. நல்லா தான் இருக்கு. But inside the boundary you have to color, okay? அழகா தான் இருக்கு.
Big
Good
shot.
Okay. Who else finished? Everyone has finished, huh? Good. Okay, now all of you, those who have finished, keep your books aside. Very good, Manikesh. Good. Nitish, good.
மேம் கீரை
Very good, Nitish. Yes, very good. Yes,
எஸ் மேம் சொல்லு எஸ் மேம் சொல்லு
Yes, very good. Well done. Okay, now come on, all of you keep your books aside. Now, ma'am is going to, we are going to do a color activity, okay? Ma'am is going to show you some colors. You are going to run inside and bring any object related to the color. Okay, well, ma'am is going to show you one color. If I am showing red color, you have to go and bring red color object, any red color object. Okay, understood? Ma'am, red color காமிக்கிறேன்னா நீங்க உள்ள போய் ஒரு red color object எடுத்துட்டு வரணும். Okay, you have to bring a red color object. Likewise, I'll show you 4 colors. 4 colors related things you have to bring. So first color is red. Come on, all of you go inside. You yourself should go. Parents are not going to help you. Children, you yourself go search and bring. Search. தேடுங்க. Search and bring. Adya, run and bring. Go sitting in your place.
Red color, ma'am.
Show me colors. Don't show me any color pencils.
ரெட் கலர்
Red color ring, red color box, red color bag.
கலர் பால் காமி பேக் ஓகே ரெட் கலர் பால் காமி
Very good, Tilakar. Nimalan brought bag.
மேம் ரெட் கலர் பால் கேக்கு சொல்லு
Red color ball.
ஏய் அப்படி இதுல அடிக்காத வரும்.
Yes, Nimalan.
Water.
Red color water bottle. Okay, good.
Let's
Yes, Nimalan. Yes, Keshav. Very good, Keshav.
நீ காட்டு ஃபைல் வைக்கிற காட்டு
What did you bring? Nakira, what did you bring? Red color. Okay, next color is, what color is this?
என்ன
Can
கலர்?
anyone tell me what color is this?
Color
What color is this? What color is this? Blue color. What color is this? Green. Very good. green color object. Green color. Yeah, very good. Very good, Tilaka. Good, Nakshatra, good. Vilango. Then who else?
Brown color. Green
one by one.
Green color.
Green color, green color.
Everyone mute yourself. I'll call one by one. Okay, don't unmute yourself until I say. Okay, please mute yourself, everyone. Okay, next color is going to be.
The green.
Don't unmute, okay? Black. Black. Go and bring any black color object. Don't unmute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute. Ilango, mute yourself. Kevin, mute yourself.
Kevin. Oh, black color.
All of you mute yourself. Tilakar, mute yourself. Everyone should be mute only. Kevin's dad, can you please mute yourself? I'll call you one by one to tell me the colors. At that time, you can unmute yourself and tell me. Okay? So all of you have finished till 4 colors. First color is red. Second color is green. Third color is black. And the fourth color is... What color is this? Yellow. Come on, all of you bring yellow color object. Yellow. Come on. Bring it and sit in your place. I'm going to call one by one and ask you about the colors. Okay? First is Adya Sharma. Adarsh is there. Adya, unmute yourself and show me all your color objects. Come on. Tell me what all colors you brought.
बताओ मैम को बताओ.
हाँ.
बताओ कलर्स बताओ. सारे कलर्स बता दो मैम. बताओ.
Blue. I didn't ask you blue. 4 colors: red, green, yellow, and black.
बताओ ये कौन से कलर्स है दोनों.
Red.
हाँ.
ये कौन सा.
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. Black. Green. Where is your green object?
ये बता दो. ये कौन सा कलर है.
Agota.
ये कौन सा कलर है.
Green.
Green. Very good, Adya. Thank you, Adya.
What color is this? Daddy.
Ilango.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, show me.
Yellow.
Next.
Red.
Next.
Green.
Next. This one.
Black.
Very good. Hiteshri. Very good, ma. Hiteshri.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Kana. Hiteshri.
Which color. Which color.
Red and my cow.
One by one, you have to show me your colors.
Green.
This one.
Yellow. Yeah.
This one. Which color.
Red.
Red, very good. Yellow. Yellow you have shown, right? Thank you. Hiteshri, very good, Hiteshri. Nakshatra.
Yes, ma'am.
I call you, please say yes, ma'am. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Then only I can see you on the screen. Nakshatra.
Yeah, tell me what is the color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay,
Next
yellow
colors.
next.
Yellow color.
Next color.
Next. Tell the color name. What color?
Green color.
Red. Oh.
What color
Sound.
is apple? Okay. Then where is green?
Show the green color.
Green. Okay. Then black.
Show the black
Black.
color. Black color.
Where is black? Very good, Nakshatra. Thank you. Nitish. Nitish. Next. Okay, next.
No.
Yellow. Black.
Back.
Black. Okay, thank you, Maniti. Vimalan. Vimalan.
இது என்ன கலர்? கலர் சொல்லு. இது என்ன கலர்? இது என்ன கலர்?
Green. Okay, good.
அந்த சைடு
Next.
வச்சுக்கோ. இது என்ன கலர்? இது என்ன
Black.
கலர்? இது என்ன கலர்? இது என்ன கலர்? இத சொல்லு ஃபர்ஸ்ட்.
Yellow. Very good, Manimalan. Thank you. Pranav.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Pranav. Pranav. Hmm. 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 Black. Very good, Pranav. Keshav. Keshav.
Sit. Which one red?
My school bag and deer and car.
Okay, next.
The bike and the tractor and the
What color are they?
yellow color.
Okay, next.
Bag. This one bag. Yeah. Green store, green color, green tea, green billboard, green dinosaur.
Very good, Keshav. Instead of one material, you brought so many materials. Very good. Thank you so much, Keshav. Kevin.
Pink color.
Kevin.
What color?
Yellow.
What color?
Just give me one.
Red.
Reena.
Red.
Red. Okay, Kevin. Thank you, Kevin. Riyashri.
சொல்லு.
Riyashri.
Mom.
இது என்ன கலர்?
Tell me, Riyashri.
Red
Red color.
இது
Green.
இது காமே சொல்லு என்ன கலர்?
Black color. Okay. Next.
இது என்ன கலர்? ஏய் என்ன கலர்? சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Yellow.
எல்லோ கரெக்டா சொல்லு.
Very good, Riya. Sarah. Thank you, Maria. Sarah. Sarah Sanjeevi.
Excuse me, ma'am. Bakana.
Sarah. Sarah is not there, huh?
Ma'am, she will do it later, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Sai Priyan.
Wow. Seekram.
Sai Priyan.
இந்த என்ன கலர்? விச் கலர்? பிரணீத் அது black கலர் எடுத்து.
Sai Priyan.
ஒழுங்கா காட்டுங்க. கையில வச்சு காட்டு. இது என்ன கலர்? வெச்சுடு. இது என்ன கலர்? அது என்ன கலர்?
Okay.
இது என்ன கலர்? இது இப்படி வெச்சு. இப்போ இது பலூன்.
Next.
Finish ma'am சொல்லு.
Finish. Black color also finished, huh?
Yes ma'am சொல்லு. Black color காட்டு.
Okay, Pranavi
Black color
and
காட்டுங்க.
Savina.
Black color. This is
Okay,
which
ma.
color?
Pranavi and Pravina. What color is that?
Green.
Hmm.
Red.
Hmm.
Black.
Very good, Pranavi. Pravina.
Yellow.
Hmm.
Green.
Hmm.
Red.
Hmm.
Black.
Very good, children. Then next is Tilakar. Tilakar.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma.
green color.
Okay.
Red color.
Hmm.
Red color.
Okay.
Red color. Yellow color.
Okay. Hmm.
Yellow color. Red.
Yellow color slate. Tilakar.
Red color. Red.
Black color slate. Over. Very good, and thank you so much, children. You all have done it very well. I want all of you to clap your hands first. Adarsh, will you show me the colors, Adarsh? Very good, children. Adarsh is ready. Adarsh. Adarsh is not ready. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, children, for your cooperation. Have a great weekend. Happy holidays. Happy weekend. I'll see you on Monday, same time. Bye-bye. Bye.
Ah, chalo.
Bye.